What subjects have you studied and where did you graduate?
My master's degree is from MIT and it's in the area of finance and investments.
What is the admissions process like for MIT students?
Students are evaluated on standardized test scores, their transcripts from previous schools, their experience, and the quality of their personal essays.
Tell us about your experience inside MIT.
MIT is a wonderful school because it's full of energy, and teaching strategies revolve around the problem set, which is, with every course comes a set of very difficult problems which people work together to solve.
Okay, tell us about the culture inside MIT.
MIT is dedicated to impressing upon the student the importance of both theory and practice. The seal of MIT, if you look at it, has two men on it. One is a scholar with a book, the other is a craftsman with a hand. The logo says in Latin, mens et manus, mind and hands. And so from the outset of the school, it's not just the learning, but it's the actual application of the learning.
How many years have you been teaching math, and how did you teach your students to enjoy learning math?
I've been teaching mathematics now for 12 years, and 8 of those years have been internationally. I think it's really important to work with kids both in groups and one-on-one to let them understand what their strengths are and follow their strengths towards some sort of thing that they like in the mathematics.
How is KMIDS math curriculum different from other international schools?
The unique aspect of the KMIDS curriculum is it is dedicated to the STEM application. So even in mathematics, we're always looking for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics applications, real-world problems that we can connect to each of the things that they will learn in mathematics. Whether it be cooling, whether it be exponential growth of an investment, there are many examples, but we always come back to real-world examples to illustrate our theory.
If you discover that students in your classroom are at different levels of math, how will you manage your class?
Okay, this is a differentiated instruction type of issue that all teachers run into in the course of their instruction. So we at KMIDS are trained to identify differences in learning speeds and development styles of students and accommodate each student along the way. And so for students that may be struggling, you want to give them some reinforcement exercises. For students that have finished the learning very quickly, you want to give them extension exercises. And so you bring everyone along at their own level. Well, the mathematics curriculum offers many opportunities to introduce STEM applications. When we teach exponential growth and exponential decay, that lends itself to real-life models such as population growth, growth of diseases with cell growth, exponential decay, extinction of a species would be an example. Metabolism of medications, the half-life of medicine. When you take a pill, you can calculate the exponential decay of that pill over time as it is metabolized by your body. Statistics. When we teach statistics, we can use investment models. I've had a lot of success with students in implementing actual investment models where they're calculating the returns and also calculating their risk. So the goal would be to maximize returns and minimize risk with an investment portfolio. Business applications, optimization problems which come through in calculus, where you want to maximize revenue and minimize costs. So we have all kinds of tools that we can introduce all the STEM components into mathematics instruction.